In this video, I wanted to share a wonderful hair wash powder that promotes very fast hair growth. Many of you have repeatedly messaged me saying that it is very hard to use Shikakai powder for hair wash and that it is very drying. The secret to using Shikakai powder is adding Fenugreek powder to it and making it gel before using. This way, it is so easy to use it on a hair. I also love to add hair growth promoting herbs like Neem, Hibiscus and Amla too. This Shikakai powder is easy to use, cleans the hair well along with promoting fast hair growth. The first ingredient we need is Shikakai powder. I usually prefer to buy whole Shikakai pods, sun-dry till crisp before powdering it along with other ingredients. But since many of you prefer the powders, I have demonstrated with the powders here. You can buy pure Shikakai powder in all the departmental stores in India. Try to buy one without any additional ingredients. Shikakai cleans the hair amazingly well. The second ingredient we need is Fenugreek. In my personal opinion, Fenugreek is a must in Shikakai powder recipes, as Shikakai powder can be quite drying if used alone. Fenugreek, along with conditioning the hair, also treats dandruff really well. We can easily make Fenugreek powder at home by sun-drying Fenugreek for an hour and then powdering it in a dry mixer and sieving. The next ingredient we need is neem leaf powder. Neem has amazing antibacterial properties and will help treat all scalp problems, including itching, scalp inflammation, and dandruff. Neem is also an amazing home remedy to get rid of lice. The next ingredient we need is hibiscus powder. Hibiscus flowers promote hair growth, along with conditioning the hair well, and I would highly suggest adding it to the recipe. If you have access to fresh hibiscus flowers, you can grind it and add it while mixing the Shikakai powder too. The final ingredient we need is Amla or Indian gooseberry powder. Amla powder is another ingredient that promotes very fast hair growth, along with cleansing the scalp well. It also treats dandruff effectively too. Most departmental stores in India stock Amla powder. You can also order it through online shops too. Take half cup of Shikakai powder in a cup. Add 1/8 cup of Fenugreek powder to it. Add in a tablespoon of Amla powder too. Now add in a tablespoon of neem powder. Finally add in a tablespoon of hibiscus powder. Now mix well with a spoon. This powder will last well for weeks if stored in an airtight box away from moisture. While taking the powder from the box, make sure to use a dry spoon, else the powder will spoil very quickly. To use, take the required amount of powder in a bowl. Now add in enough rice water to form a paste. You can use either boiled rice water or rice water got by soaking the rice before cooking it. Now mix well to form a smooth paste. We have to rest this paste at least for an hour to allow the fenugreek to gel. We can also soak it overnight too. When mixing, make sure that the paste is a bit runny because it will thicken over time. After an hour, the fenugreek powder would have gelled and the mixture also would have thickened. Now you can use this paste for having hair wash. To use, first wet your hair and scalp and then apply the paste. Massage gently for a few minutes and then wash it off. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.